A major refinery processing 173,000 barrels of crude oil per day faced a critical refractory failure in one of its heaters. The damaged area measured roughly 20 feet wide by 5 feet high and threatened to force a full shutdown. If left unaddressed, conventional repair would have meant 6 days of lost production and an estimated cost of $2.4 million. To avoid that, the refinery turned to IGS's hot refractory repair service. Working online, IGS completed the repair in 9 days without interrupting production. The work reduced the external shell temperature from 830 degrees Fahrenheit to 130, eliminated the need for cooling steam, and significantly reduced monitoring requirements. By completing the repair while the heater stayed in operation, the refinery avoided downtime and saved approximately $2.4 million in lost production. The return on investment was immediate, with measurable improvements in efficiency and reliability. Over the past decade, IGS has repaired more than 50 fired heater hotspots without any production impact, delivering proven solutions for the energy industry.